79 each, 20 PR points. Now that is a great score. As you can see here guys, Abhi here recently got his desired score. बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद अभी को. And as you can see, he's got a 90 in reading, which is a great achievement. He's got a 90 in speaking and he's got an 86 in writing. Now listening is on the edge, but he got there. And as you can see, he got a band 88, which is equivalent to a band 9 in IELTS. So Abhi here was enrolled in our Guaranteed PTE course. And as you can see, we display our results. Okay. And it's not just for 8 each. If you want 5, 6, 7, 8, or even 36, which is the minimum requirement, why not call us? Get started on your journey and we'll help you till you get your desired score. That is our guarantee. Now you can study from the internet, but the thing is, it's all about feedback. If you get a proper feedback, if you get proper guidance, if you know where you're making the mistakes and you get the guidance on how to correct those mistakes, that is when you succeed. What are you waiting for? Pick up that phone, drop us a message or call us on the given numbers and get started on your journey. Free demos are available. You won't get better deals than us. You won't get better teaching than us. What are you waiting for? Call us today. Get started on your journey. Get your desired score. Be happy. My name is Sam. I'll see you guys in the class.